Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make use of this pin, to create a ventilating needle used for ventilating. And this is an office pin. What you need is a plier and a pin of your choice. I'm using an office pin for this, so use it to create a ventilating needle to look like this. This is my own office pin which I've created to look like ventilating pin, and it has already made ventilating holder. And this is a close view of this. It has a hook. I have a video I've done on this, on how to make this needle, and I will leave it in the description box for you to click and learn how to do it. Now what I'm going to do is to show you the proper way to use this kind of ventilating pin to ventilate. Now, one thing about this ventilating needle is that it's always fragile, so it breaks a lot. So if you're one of the people that finds your ventilating needle always breaking, then you should make one for yourself. If you don't have one, you should also make one for yourself. Go click my video and see how to make this ventilating needle. Creating a good ventilating needle is also a plus, because if you don't do it well, you find it very hard using this type of ventilating needle to ventilate. If you are a ventilator and you have exhausted all your follow com ventilating pin, there comes like about 4 or 3. If the 3 gets damaged, you can get this one for yourself, or you can also get this one for yourself just to substitute it, because this one is very stronger than the other one. It depends how you are making use of it when you are ventilating. You can also get this kind of ventilating pin if you don't have any ventilating pin at all, so you want to start with something. You can get this one for yourself and improvise a ventilating holder and start ventilating. Now the first thing is to put it in a hole. Gradually put it in a hole, because it's going to be a kind of sticky when you are putting it. Then pull out 2 strands of hair, pull it out and tight. Always make sure that your ventilating needle, has a tiny hook that can grab hair, because if it doesn't have that tiny hook, it will be very difficult or impossible to grab hair. So put it in a hole gradually, pull out 2 strands of hair and tight. This is a single knotting ventilation if you're not familiar with this kind of ventilation. So I'm going to be doing this throughout. Keep watching and see how I'm going to be doing it and how this closure is going to turn out. So having this ventilating needle is a plus. So if you don't have one, go get one for yourself and try this method out and tell me what you think about this method. You can use a ventilating pin holder, or you can even improvise and get any holder and use it. This is how it looks like. See you in my next video.